Time for the first package. Okay, here we go. I did pre-open it because I'm terrible at ripping these open with one hand. Okay, I'm no better doing it when it's open already. So I really love the packaging of this. And let's show you guys what it is. Okay, so it comes in the cutest little sack. And let's see if I can get it open with one hand. Okay, so this is what the DaisyCup is. I've never tried anything like this in my life, but recently I tried the leak-proof underwear from Nixwear. And I'm trying to look at more sustainable ways, but not just ways that are good for the environment. Like, I started to think about it, like when we're using tampons and pads, what kind of toxins and chemicals are we literally sitting in? Like, how can that be good for our bodies? Okay, so a few things I wanted to talk about is that it's made of medical grade silicone and dyes, so that way you're not putting chemicals or bleaches into your vagina. Also, it maintains a healthy pH. Okay, so my understanding is that you can wear it for up to 12 hours. It holds like up to 12 hours proof, but it should be rinsed and emptied every 4 to 8 hours.